Yun na daw. Mamaya pa yung papasok eh. Bila, no? Si EJ. Sinasaraduhan na siya. Tumatago-tago lang eh. Sumagoy.
Yan na, patay na kayo kay EJ!
Nanipiding! Brazil! Si EJ di kasama, palit na eh!
Magaling si Angel, ha? Nasa YouTube to, pare. Sign of the cross pa, pare.
Okay. Guys, pinakamahirap yung ginawa ni EJ, no? May rolling. Egg roll. Don't forget the element. Egg roll.
Oh, magaling kasi ano, pare-pareho sila ng sabay-sabay sila. Saka pare-pareho sila ng degree ng ano, walang nag-over hataw. Yeah, okay, congratulations.
Ano, yung kasama niyong ano, yun, yung nasa likod. Galing sa kayo niya, galing. Tama yung ano, sabi ni Joseph, yung walang magaling tsaka walang hindi magaling. Yung pantay-pantay lang lahat. So,
Sir, Mr. Baling?
it's very simple, I think. No, you have star factor, you have parang yung hindi mo akalain na magaling sumayaw, magaling pala. It's good, it was good. Yeah, could have had bigger moves siguro, pero it was good.
Wow,